Little artists, are you ready to create a plate full of colorful veggies today? Let's dive into this fun art adventure.
Wow!
Welcome to Toddlers Art Hub. Before we dive into our colorful adventure, let's start with a rough pencil sketch. Grab your pencils and let's sketch out our delightful vegetable plate. To start, draw two circles, one inside the other, forming the plate. Now, let's add some yummy veggies. Draw a carrot, a broccoli, a tomato, and a brinjal. Also, sketch a knife on one side. And a fork on the other to complete our plate.
Awesome!
Fabulous work! Time for colors. Sky blue color. Red color. Pink color. Green color. Orange color. Purple color. Fluorescent green color. Orange color. Yellow color. Glitter time!
Awesome!
Fantastic job, little artists! You've created a beautiful veggie plate. Keep exploring and stay creative. Until next time, happy drawing!
Wow!
Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.